Hey there everybody, this is the Pocket Camera Guy, and this is the inaugural video here on the channel. Today we are outside. We are on a local trail here in Georgia, and today I've got the Insta360 One X2 and gonna get some footage. The reason why I brought this camera, it's a little wet today. This is a waterproof camera. Thought I'd get some interesting shots today, 360. And if you're new to the action camera 360 camera market, this is a great place to start. I'm going to show you some sample footage, and then we're going to answer 3 questions at the end of the video. Does this meet the convenience, ease of use, and versatility requirements that I have of my action/360 cameras? So let's get into that footage, and we'll talk a little bit more at the end. All right, so we made it to the top. We're heading back down the path. And so I thought this would be a great opportunity to kind of talk to you a little bit about the camera and about what you can expect it to do for you. Now, there are a lot of, and I've got to look around because I don't want to trip and fall off the path. There are a lot of YouTube channels out there that have videos that will explain all the intricate specifications and capabilities of this camera. But what I want to do today is talk to you a little bit more about if you're a first-time action cam user or 360 camera user, then what is this camera going to do for you? And again, I mentioned the 3 things at the beginning of the video. Is it convenient? Is it easy to use? And is it versatile? So let's talk about that first one. Is it convenient? Well, it's a very small camera. I'm holding it in my hand right now as I make this video. And so you can stow it in a pocket, you can put it in a backpack. So for convenience sake, yes, it's very convenient. You don't need anything else with it. Just this camera, maybe a selfie stick if you want to get some really interesting 360 videos. So very convenient. Ease of use, there are only 2 buttons. The one button turns the unit on, the other button starts and stops video recordings. So it's very simple. It does have a touch screen, and so you can cycle through the menus very easily. You don't have to be a pro or a whiz when it comes to cameras to be able to use it. The auto settings are easy enough and very simple to use. So I think it checks that box, easy to use. Now what about versatility? The one thing you don't want is you don't want to spend $350, $400 on a one-trick pony. And so what I've learned about this camera in the amount of time that I've owned it is that it can be used in a variety of different ways. I've seen people put this camera on a drone. I've seen people put this on a 10-foot selfie stick and get shots that look like you're on a drone. But what I've done is I've taken an adapter, connected it to the side so I can connect an external microphone, and I've used this similarly to the way I'm using it now as a talking head video, but I've done that with external microphones to really enhance the quality of the video and audio. So I will tell you this, I think the camera is very versatile. I think I'll be able to use this camera for at least another year or 2. The X3 just came out, but I'm in no rush to get it. This X2 is perfectly usable and perfectly fine for what I'm going to be using it for. So if you're new to the 360 game, or if you're new to action cameras, would I recommend getting this camera? Absolutely. But for just about $50 more, if you wanted to get the X3, that will carry you to for the next couple years. So either one is fine, but if you want to save a little extra money, the X2 is a great place to start. Hey, this is the Pocket Camera Guy out here on the trail using the Insta360 One X2. Hope you guys are having a great day. If you like this kind of content, hey, make sure to become a subscriber. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. Let me know your thoughts, and let's get a dialogue going. Thanks a lot. We'll see you in the next one.